iHeart Beauty sale is going on Purple. OMG, so many exciting offers and fairy deals. Okay, so let me tell you more about the offers. So on Wow Skin Science, it's buy one at MRP and get one free. On Lotus, it's flat 30% off, and on Faces Canada, it's up to 50% off. And on Biotique, it's up to let me see. I don't remember, so that's I'm saying from my mobile. It's up to 35% off, and on DermDoc it's flat 30% off, and on Bella Voste it's buy one on MRP and get one free. On VLCC it's flat 37% off. On Cetaphil it's buy two get flat 20% off, and on the Mom Score it's flat 30% off. On Lotus it's flat 15% off. On Wet n Wild it's up to 50% off. On Himalaya it's up to 35% off, and on LA Girl it's up to 50% off. On Makeup Revolution it's up to 50% off. On Vyam it's flat 35% off. On Soulflower it's flat 50% off, and many more exciting offers. I'm very thrilled with this sale, like it's very amazing. So before jumping into the video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with your friends and family. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Aroma, and in today's video I'm going to review 4 products from M Caffeine and this gift set, which is also from M Caffeine. So as you all know that my birthday is coming, so my mother has gifted me this green tea face detox gift set, which contains a face scrub, a green tea face serum, a night gel, and a face wash, and lastly a face towel. So I'm going to review this and 4 sample kits that Purple has sent me. So first of all, thank you so much Purple for sending us 4 products. So first I'm going to review this Naked Detox green tea face kit. So this is the Naked Detox green tea face scrub. So like if you have whiteheads or blackheads, you can use this face scrub. This face scrub contains walnut, which is very good and it's very effective. Then here comes the M Caffeine Naked Detox green tea face serum. So green tea with vitamin C. As you all know, vitamin C is very effective for the skin. Vitamin C has glowing properties, so this makes the skin look very glowy. The consistency is good. So I'm basically in love with this green tea night gel. This night gel is very effective. Like if you have pigmentation all over your face, after you're gonna use this, the pigmentation will surely go. Like this night gel is magical. The consistency is also very nice, and it's very lightweight on the face and gets easily absorbed into your skin after use. So this night gel is very amazing. Well, I don't use the face scrub because face scrub contains small granules which can be harsh on my face, so I'm not using the face scrub, but I'm using this magical night gel and the face serum and the face wash. These 3 products are super amazing, and this night gel smells like heaven. The fragrance is superb of this night gel. And do you know that M Caffeine is India's first caffeinated personal care brand? Okay, so then here comes this Naked Detox green tea face wash. The net quantity for the green tea face wash is 100 ml. It's meant for all skin type. It doesn't matter which skin type you are. It will suit every skin type, like dry skin, combination skin, normal skin, oily skin, or sensitive skin. So this face wash also contains vitamin C, which is very good. It also contains apple amino acids. Then here comes this book template. This book template contains all the information for all the 4 products. Also, I'm going to tell you that this box also contains a towel which is so soft. Well, my mother has taken the towel to wash, so that's why I'm not able to show, but the towel material is so amazing. Then it's written about the face wash, and here it's written about the face scrub. Get an ultimate detox for your skin with green tea. Exfoliate with walnut to remove the toxins, dirt and impurities from your pores to make your face glow again. Then here's information given about night gel and this green tea face serum. Refresh your skin with antioxidant rich green tea. Moisturize with this lightweight serum for the perfect rejuvenation. The box is super amazing. On the front, it's written bold, young, and confident. So, this deserves a thumbs up from me. I really love this, set, and my mother has gifted me. Thank you so much, Mama, for gifting me this beautiful green tea kit. Okay, so now let's talk about the sample kits that Purple has sent in us. Thank you so much, Purple, for sending us these sample kits. So basically, Purple has sent in me 3 varieties of scrub. The first one is this coffee body scrub, the other one is coffee scalp scrub, and the last one is the coffee face scrub. So the coffee body scrub and coffee scalp scrub came into these cute containers, which is super cute. I love the containers of these both scrubs, and the body scrub is really very amazing. It removes all the dead skin from my hand. So I use the coffee body scrub and it's really very good. The fragrance is superb, guys. It smells like coffee. Now I'm going to show you how I use it. So first I wet my hand and then I take a pinch of this body scrub and start scrubbing my hands like this. Well, I'm not using the face scrub. My mother is using the face scrub because scrubs contain small granules which can be harmful for my skin, so that's why I'm not using the face scrub, but my mother is using and she's loving the coffee face scrub. Then let's talk about this coffee scalp scrub. The coffee scalp scrub is very good for those people who have dandruff in their scalp. Well, I don't have dandruff, neither my mother. Still, it is effective for both of us. And the coffee face scrub is also very nice, and it came into this jute bag. Especially I like the containers of these both scalp and body scrubs. Thank you so much for these 3 varieties of scrubs. One more item that Purple has sent us is this M-Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Hand Cream. So as you all know that coronavirus is horribly spread all over the world, and so because of that we have to wash our hand and sanitize our hand frequently. But do you know that because of sanitizers and hand washes, our hands get so dry? So whenever I feel that my hand is drying, I use this coffee hand cream and it smells like wow, guys, and the consistency is also very good. Whenever I use this hand cream, my hands get so soft and supple. After doing the hand scrub, I use this hand cream and then my hands start glowing. So this one is also very good. After many products, I have got a gift from Purple. This is the Sara Ali Khan's signature pouch. So she's an excellent actress, and to get her signature pouch is a very good thing for me. So this pouch is very spaceable. You can fit your all makeup products into this pouch, and the color is also very vibrant and cute. So thank you so much, Sara Ali Khan and Purple, for sending me this beautiful pouch. That was it for today's video. If you like this video, then please give it a like, and bye.